Good morning, namaste, welcome to the vlog. Today is early morning, 12 o'clock. So I've come out to see. The northern star that I am able to see on top in the sky. I hope I can see. I will be finding it. That's the reason I've come up. Fingers crossed. Time to hunt. I have also got the binoculars to see whether I'm able to see it, but I just gave a call and a message someone and I got to know that this works, like we'll able to see it today, but early in the morning around 4 o'clock, 4:30. So I'm going to get up in the morning just to see it. In the morning around 4 o'clock I got up to see the green star comet, but could not see it. But the best part was the morning, like at that time in the morning the moon was like milky red color. So now I'm going to have breakfast. Mom is making chapati. I had my breakfast in the morning, but I'm having it again. I've come outside to one of my friends' cafe. Hi Gita. We just picked Hira from our school and we've come to Gopal Bar and Restaurant, which is just behind the Bambolim Church. It's been ages that we have come to this place. So just enjoy. It's afternoon. Hira and Aarti both are going to sleep. I'm going to the office, little more work to get finished, so need help going over there, taking some books and things like that. It's around 3:15. At the school right now, it's by 7:30. Going Delfino's right now, buying some chicken, some drinks and then going home. Hira got a sports day tomorrow, so early morning tomorrow, and I don't think we'll able to see the green comet for today. Maybe tomorrow morning, let us see. Hey, how are you? Eating food so early? What is that? What?
Thank you.
Muska? Muska? So just reached home. Just reached home. This is a natak. She's eating food early because tomorrow she got early school. We have to get up early. Our schedule is going to get changed just for a day. I'll give you, just give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes, I'll give you, okay? 2 minutes, huh? So I guess I'm gonna go on top, bath quick as possible. Mom and Malika both out in that exhibition which has come up. We are about to go. Let's see, maybe tomorrow. Yes, Babu. I just made myself a Long Island iced tea. As I was in the store, I bought it. I love that drink. It's very expensive outside, but for some reason, when you drink it home, it's nice. Currently, for some reason, my screen was not working at the back of it, and when Aarti just saw it, it is come upside down, it is flipped. I don't know how come, but Ira is just doing some drawing work. So it's what, it's around 9:30, 10. As quick as possible. Sorry, as quick as possible to go on top. Yes, we're gonna eat food, right? You're done with your food. We're gonna eat another 5-10 minutes. You're going on top, okay? We got sports day tomorrow. Yeah. So she got sports day. Let's see. And there is also surprise parents kind of also sports. Let us see what I think. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna have fun. Yes, Hira, you wanna have fun tomorrow? So yes, it's time to go on top in some time. Good night, Hira, and ciao ciao. She's not in the mood, I know that. She didn't. Just that she didn't say good night and ciao ciao. She was like, I want to say. So say Hira.